topic is sorting technique in Java. So we can see what is the sorting. A sorting is a algorithm that is used to rearrange the given array or a list given according to some comparison operator on the elements. The comparison operator is used to decide the new order of the elements to respect to the data structure. Sorting is the process of arranging of the elements of an array so that they can be placed either in ascending or the descending order. For example, if the array contain the element a1, a2, a3, a4 up to an, then the array is called as the ascending order, and and the elements are arranged in a1 is greater than a2 and greater than a3 and up to an. So now we can see the sorting techniques in Java. There are the many sorting techniques are available in the Java. So we can see first that is the bubble sort. It is the simplest sort method which performs the sorting by repeatedly moving the largest element to the highest index of the array. It comprises of the comparing the each element to its adjacent element and replace them accordingly. Bubble sort works on the repeatedly swapping of adjacent element until they are not in the intended order. It is called, so that's why it is called as the bubble sort, because the movement of the array element is just like the movement of the air bubbles in the water. Bubble in the water rise up to the surface. Similarly, the array elements in the bubble move to the end in the each iteration. The average of the average and the worst case complexity of the bubble sort is order of n square, where n is the number of the items. Next one is the bucket sort. Bucket sort is also known as the bin sort. It works by distributing the elements into the array, also called as the buckets. In this sorting algorithm, buckets are sorted individually by using the different sorting algorithm. The best and average case complexity of the bucket sort is order of n plus k. The worst case complexity of the bucket sort is order of n square, where n is the number of the item. Bucket sort is commonly used for the with floating point values and when the input is distributed uniformly over a range. And next one was the com sort. Com sort is the advanced form of the bubble sort. Bubble sort compares all the adjustment values, while the com sort removes all the tuple values or the small values near the end of the list. Next one was the counting sort. It is the sorting technique based on the keys, that is the objects are collected according to the keys with our small integers. Counting sort calculates the number of the occurrence of the objects and stores its key values. New array is the form of the adding the previous key elements assigning to the objects. Next one is the heap sort. It is the in this sort mean heap or the max heap is maintaining from the array elements depending upon the choice, and the elements are sorted by the deleting root elements of the heap. Next one are the insertion sort. As the name suggests, insertion sort inserts the each element of the array to its proper place. It is the very simple sort method which is used to arrange the deck of the cards while playing the bridge. The idea behind the insertion sort is that first take one element, iterate it through the sorted array. Although it is simple to use, it is not appropriate of the large and data sets, as the time complexity of the insertion sort and of the average and the worst case is order of n square, where n is the number of the insertion. Insertion sort is less efficient than the other sorting algorithm like heap sort and quick sort and merge sort. Next one is the merge sort. Merge sort follows the divide and conquer approach, in which the list is first divided into the sets of the equal elements, and then the half of the list is sorted by using the merge sort. The sorted list is combined again to form the elements of the sorted elements. Next one is the quick sort. And the quick sort is the most optimized sort algorithm which performs the sorting in order of n log n comparisons, like divide and the conquer approach. Quicksort is widely used of sorting algorithms that makes the n log n comparisons in the average case of the sorting array of the n elements. It is the faster and a highly efficient sorting algorithm. This algorithm follows the divide and the conquer approach. So divide and the conquer is the technique of breaking the algorithm into the subparts and solving the subproblem and combining the results subproblem and combining the results back together to solve the original problem. Divide is in divide first pick the pivot element and after that the partition rearranges the element into the two subarrays such as the element r left subarray is less than or equal to the pivot element and each element in the right subarray is the larger than the pivot element. Conquer is recursively sort the two subarrays with the quick sort. And next one was the radix sort. In radix sort, the sorting is done if we do the sort the names according to their alphabetical order. It is the linear sorting algorithm used to integers. Next one was the selection sort. A selection sort finds the smallest element in the array and place it on the first place on the list. Then it finds the second smallest element from the array and place it on the second place. This process continues until the element of the array moves to the correct ordering. It carries the running time is order of n square with the then the insertion sort. Next one is the shell sort. And the shell sort is the generalization of the insertion sort which overcomes the drawbacks of the insertion sort by comparing the elements separated by the gap of the several positions. So this is all about the sorting techniques in Java. Thank you.